Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. And today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Amarok. This shape runs from 2010 to current. This vehicle sustained damage to the front and rollover damage. This vehicle is fitted with a CNEA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand door trim in tidy condition, factory sports bars. We have the left-hand tail light in tidy condition. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory tow bar with brackets and bolts. Right-hand tail light in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. We have the driver and passenger seat in tidy condition. We have the manual 4-wheel drive transmission console in tidy condition. The manual transmission gear lever. Left-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Interior courtesy light with sunglass holder in tidy condition. We have the right-hand sun visor in tidy condition. There's a factory black steering wheel with steering wheel controls in tidy condition. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.